Welcome to Product Critique, your go-to channel for all things home improvement and stylish upgrades. Today, we're diving into the best bathroom sink faucet with a modern design, the black gold waterfall sink faucet. If you're looking to add a touch of elegance and sophistication to your bathroom, this faucet might be exactly what you need. Crafted from solid brass, this black gold waterfall sink faucet combines luxury with durability. The sleek black and gold finish provides a stunning contrast that will elevate any bathroom decor, whether you have a minimalist, modern, or eclectic style. The unique orchid-inspired design of the handle mimics the delicate curves of orchid leaves, adding an artistic flair that symbolizes both Western luxury and Eastern elegance. What makes this faucet truly stand out is the waterfall spout. It creates a gentle, flowing stream of water that not only looks beautiful but also provides a soothing experience every time you turn it on. The single handle lever allows for easy and precise temperature control, giving you the perfect water flow every time. Whether you're washing your hands or cleaning up, the smooth operation ensures a hassle-free experience. Installation is a breeze with this faucet. It's designed for a single-hole setup, but don't worry if you have a 3-hole basin. There's a deck plate included that makes installation even simpler. You'll receive clear instructions, and the faucet is compatible with most standard basins, making it easy to incorporate into your existing bathroom setup. This faucet is built to last. Its heavy-duty brass construction ensures long-term durability, and the high-quality materials make sure there are no leaks, giving you peace of mind that it will perform flawlessly over time. Not only is it a functional piece, but its sculptural design makes it a conversation starter. The sleek waterfall design adds a luxurious touch to powder rooms and master baths alike. This faucet is perfect for those who appreciate not just functionality but also beauty. Whether you're remodeling or simply upgrading your bathroom, this black gold waterfall sink faucet will be the centerpiece of your space. With its eye-catching design, superior construction, and easy installation, it's the ideal choice for anyone looking to make a statement in their bathroom. Thanks for watching today's review on Product Critique. If you want to stay up to date with the best in home decor, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more reviews. See you next time.